Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add single Pokemon cards to your collection on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're adding single cards to your collection on the Collectr app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. Next, you want to go and click on search on the bottom left-hand corner. Now, from here, this is where you're going to type the name of the card. So let's say that we have an Alakazam card that we need to go ahead and add. I'll just search up Alakazam, and then here I have a base set unlimited Alakazam. Now, all I've got to do is click on the plus button where it's next to says hollow foil, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a single Pokemon card to your collection on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.